Okay, neuropathy is a debilitating condition that affects so many North Texans. These patients have typically tried everything from medications to surgery with nothing working. Dr. Bao Tai DC has spent years developing his treatment process. He's spoken at Harvard, authored many books on the topic, and now his research is about to be published, and he is back to tell us about his treatment. And we'll also hear from his patient, JoAnn, about how she was able to overcome neuropathy. Good morning to both of you.
Hey, good morning, Jane.
Good to see you. So before we talk to JoAnn, Dr. Tai, why'd you get into neuropathy?
You know, I remember as a child growing up, my mom had chronic asthma, and every weekend we go to the doctor. And I thought these doctors were fantastic. They seemed nice, had a great time in the office, but my mom never got well. And as I grew up, I started to understand the reality of medications and healthcare in the sense that if you have a chronic problem, everything is designed just to cover up the symptoms, not treat the problem. And this is why I feel so passionate about neuropathy and the people that we help, because they live this life where now they kept getting fed these medications and they don't get well, and their life continues to go away, and it's not fair.
All right, so we've heard from many of your patients in the past, and today we have JoAnn, who suffered from neuropathy in her legs and feet. JoAnn, thanks for joining us. Can you tell us a little bit about how neuropathy affected your life?
Yes, I've got neuropathy in 2019 from back surgery. I began to have extreme pain, tingling, numbness in my feet and my legs from neuropathy. I went to several doctors. They prescribed gabapentin, which caused horrible side effects. Neuropathy has affected every aspect of my life, mentally and physically. I lost the ability to do the things I love the most, like walking, and when I did walk, I had to use a cane. Some of the other things I wasn't able to do were gardening, house cleaning, and cooking.
Wow, so it really compromised your life. How has your life changed now, and what would you tell other people suffering with neuropathy about advanced nerve and health?
I have no more neuropathy pain. I'm off the gabapentin. I no longer have to use my cane, and I'm doing all the things that I love again, like walking and cooking and gardening. My husband loves to see the change in me. He's glad I'm happy again. Before Dr. Tai, I was feeling hopeless that this was going to be my new normal. I had been praying for an answer, and just watching Good Morning Texas, and I smiled, and my husband and I decided we should call. And I want people to know there's hope. Don't give up. You too can get your life back.
Oh, well, we're so happy for you that your life is that much better. So, Dr. Tai, what is the most important thing to know about your neuropathy treatment process?
Well, the first thing is that we do want to give you hope, just like JoAnn. You don't have to live life that way. And there's always an answer out there. You just have to keep looking forward. And this process is not like anything else. It doesn't involve surgery. It does not involve medications. This is a process that I created. And as you stated, it's now published. And so we're really proud of it. And all we want to do is help people who really want to be helped.
All right, and you have a special offer this morning for any GMT viewers who may be watching and thinking, I need to call.
Yeah, well, life is too short. If you are at that point now where you want to change and you want to do something different, for the first 17 callers for $29, you'll get a telehealth consultation, so we can determine if it's worth your time to come in, an in-office consultation, a copy of my new book, and then lastly, there's a test that we can do in the office to see if this process can actually work for you. Now, the best thing that we'll do is we'll be honest with you if we can help you or not, and if we can, hopefully we can change your life together.
Okay, thanks for joining us this morning, JoAnn. Glad you're feeling better. That's wonderful.
Thank you.
Call Advanced Nerve and Health Center at 214-531-6602 or visit dfwnerveandhealth.com for more information. They have offices in Dallas and Houston.